my stove on to medium heat and added some coriander seeds, whole seeds, with fennel seeds. And all we are going to do is roast for 2 minutes. So 10 grams of coriander seeds and 5 grams of fennel seeds. It's a classic mix for Indian cooking. So here we have our roasted coriander and our roasted fennel together. We're going to now just grind them. Here you go. Alright, so the ingredients are in the grinder, and let's start pulsing. You have to get it really fine, so keep pulsing. Looking good, and just one more time. Here we go. It's all grounded. Alright, so here are the main spices that we use for any type of Indian cuisine, especially when we're making curries and vegetables. We are vegetarians, but you can also add these to any other meats. So here is the coriander powder with fennel that we made. We have some salt. We have fresh red chilies that we have grounded. This is such basic cumin seeds that are involved all the time. Here is a garam masala, and the recipe is, we will link it below, that we made. And then here is some turmeric powder. It is organic. It's your choice if you want everything organic or not. That's the